When comparing predictive and agile approaches, it's important to note that in predictive environments, scope planning is conducted upfront with known requirements, leading to a detailed work breakdown. In contrast, agile environments require an iterative approach, starting with a product backlog that is refined and prioritized through sprints. In scope planning, we define the scope of work by outlining both the product and project scope using tools like the Approved Scope Statement, WBS, and WBS Dictionary. These components collectively form what we refer to as the scope baseline. In agile projects, scope planning begins with the creation of a product backlog. This backlog contains the known features, which we continuously refine and prioritize through iterative sprints. To effectively prioritize requirements, we often use the Moscow analysis technique. This helps in distinguishing between what is a must-have, should have, could have, and won't have. A crucial part of managing scope is ensuring that all team members are working with the latest versions of documents and plans. This is achieved through effective configuration management. In agile projects, we adopt a flexible and iterative approach to scope planning. With each sprint, we gather new information and continuously refine the scope, ensuring that it evolves to meet the project's needs.